this series for a long time now. I'm super excited. So I'm going to be doing a Learning with Me series. So the start is I'm going to be teaching you guys how to properly apply your makeup, and then after those videos I'm going to be doing, you guys are going to be learning with me on my makeup school journey kind of thing. So we're starting on the eyebrows today and we will go from there. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and stay tuned for the rest of the. Let's get into the video. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and I'm going to take this, I don't remember the name of this brush, but I'm going to take this kind of brow brush, and I'm going to kind of do like a kind of like classic brow. So I start from the inner corner closer to the eye, and I kind of just do small little strokes, and I didn't realize that my eyebrow was in the frame, so sorry about that. And then I kind of just outline it first on the top, and then I like to go down and fill it in that way. Start by kind of carving my eyebrows. I'm not going to carve them too much, but I'm going to take this CoverGirl concealer and kind of go on the top first, and then a little bit on the bottom and on the side, just to kind of clean it up a little bit if there was any mistakes that I have. And yeah, and I'm going to use this small kind of concealer brush. Then I'm going to take my Beauty Blender, and this one is kind of beat up, so yeah, but I kind of blend all of the concealer in. So I don't have a eyebrow gel currently, so I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Perfecting Primer Base to kind of just set my eyebrows. You can see me here trying to like focus it, but I tried my best on focusing it, so sorry if you guys couldn't see it. So I'm going to take the same brush that I used for my concealer and just kind of go over it gently, but not too much, so it will take off some of the brow pomade. Then I'm going to comb out my eyebrow hairs with my eyebrow comb thing. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I didn't realize that I didn't have an intro, so I'm going to do this now while I'm editing. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video on the eyebrows for how to do your eyebrows for beginners, and I hope you all stick around for this learning how to do your makeup for beginners. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!